Well. Today we have received a light version of Huawei Mate 10 series, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, the amazing smartphone with amazing features. So let's see what's inside and what's outside of the box. On the bottom you can see here the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, model number RNEL21, color Aurora Blue, ROM 64 GB, RAM 4 GB, and dual SIM smartphone. So let's open it. Coming up next. Okay, let's open it. What's inside the box? Come on. Okay, take a side. Come on, boy. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. What is this? Box in the box. Okay, and there is another box. This is warranty card, obviously. A warranty card here. Okay. This is a manual book. It's in Chinese and English, both languages. Good. A protective case and plastic case, by the way. Quality is not bad, not even bad. Okay. Box in box. Here's a charger, a fast charger. Huawei charger. Okay. What's next? Okay, a USB cable, a USB Type-C cable, a hands-free, standard quality hands-free, anything else? No, nothing. Okay, come on, bad boy. So here is the smartphone, a slim smartphone, Huawei Mate 10 Lite with 5.9 inches full view display, 4 cameras, 4 GB, 64 GB ROM, and 3340 mAh battery. So let's move it. Wow, looks wonderful. A smooth touch, by the way. I like it personally, by. Wow. So this is a light version of Mate 10 series, sorry. As you can see here, here's a ear speaker, a dual front camera, a LED flash is also here. Face unlocking feature is also in this smartphone is available. Here's a Huawei logo. On the right side, here is a volume rocker, as you can see, a power button. On the left side, here is a SIM tray, And on the bottom you can see here is a stereo speaker, a USB port, 3.5 mm audio jack. On the top side, on the back side, you can see here Huawei logo is here. Here's a fingerprint scanner, a fast fingerprint scanner by the way. A dual rear camera, 16 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera with LED flash. And smartphone looks wonderful. It's not heavy, it's easy to use, easy to carry. I personally this model like very much. So let's start the device. Huawei, powered by Android, a light version of the Mate 10 series, and you can say it's a Chinese budget smartphone as well. The device is going to start. Let's see how much take. Long time. Come on boy, make it faster. So the device is on. Now the display is very smooth. The touch, the touch is very sensitive, very smooth. It feels wonderful. Wow. So let's see other features of the smartphone. System, smartphone. The smartphone have Android version 8.0 Oreo. With EMUI version is 8.0 as well. CPU Kirin High Silicon 659, RAM 4GB, internal storage 64GB. The screen resolution is 2160 by 1080 as well. The smartphone looks wonderful. Personally, I like this smartphone very much. Very slim, very attractive. All features available. I mean, a dual rear camera, a dual front camera, LED flash on the front as well. Face ID unlocking feature is available here. If you want to buy this smartphone, please check link in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.